Hello world! Yeah, it is the 3rd of September and the repositories are down. Of course, it'll probably be end of September or October by the time you see this. Maybe Beta 5 will be out already, but right now it isn't. And there's a lot of things that I want to show you that I can't reliably download. Well, I can, but then you get dependencies and it's a bit of a problem. So we got a few sessions in which I can either spout opinions, and I probably will, or I can show you some things that are not in the repositories and that you can download and install from elsewhere. And that's what we're going to do today. Because I came across this application called Double Commander. It's on SourceForge. Right, and it's yet another Norton Commander clone. Now this is a bit of a recurring pattern. Okay, what's it got? Unicode support, tabbed interface, built-in file viewer, F3. They always use F3 for that. Internal text editor, and it'll handle zip and other archive types automatically. You know, just click into them as if they were directories. Okay, so if we go to files, right, click here, which I've already got in the next tab, then you will see that Haiku. Oh wow, so this was written in Pascal, by the way, and it is very cross-platform. Now the thing with cross-platform, of course, is that it never really looks 100% on any of those platforms. It always looks slightly off. But who knows? It may be a useful program. So we click on Haiku, which once again I've got in a... And we see that it hasn't been put in an H package. It's in a tarball. Okay, so we click on that to download, and I've already downloaded it because, save time. And it's experimental support, uses the Qt5 library. You also need libqt5 pass. Okay, which can be installed from Haiku Depot. You're probably thinking of the app, but guess what? Haiku Depot also has a web interface. So I did a search there, I found it, I downloaded it. Right, let's close this down. Close this down. And thank you very much for telling me exactly what I need. I already had Qt5 on this particular system, so all I needed was this one. Then if we have a look at this, you see that, there's lots and lots of files here. Okay. Oh, it's available in a couple of different languages. Oh, quite a few actually. Okay, I've already expanded this. So let's go to my unzip file. And Well, I thought I'd expanded it. Alright, let's just do that now. And it takes a while to find all of its files. Still creating a listing. Expand this. Taking its own sweet time here. There you see, double CMD. That's where those files are going. Yeah, don't worry about the bin and data. That's from some previous thing that I did. Okay, it's done. So if we click into this, you see that there's an executable called double CMD. And we're not going to click on that right now because I want to show you how to install such a thing. It's not in an H package. So we need to go to Home, Config, Non-Packaged. Let's close that. Let's make a new folder. Call it Apps. And let's move this in there. And we can go to non-packaged, data, deskbar, menu, applications. We'll need that later. Okay, let's see what this baby looks like. Okay, it was built with Lazarus. Root privileges. Okay, see, and that's the thing with these cross-platform apps. It talks about root privileges, which is pretty normal when you're running Haiku, isn't it? Okay, it doesn't matter. Alright. And so double click here. Hello. Let's see, what do we got here? And the usual. Okay, this is going rather slowly on this favorites. Well, I haven't got any yet, do I? Configuration. Let's see what you can do. Oh, okay. So if you're familiar with this kind of file manager, then there will be nothing new here. But let's see. What we can do. Ah, okay, it does interact with Tracker a bit. Okay. Right, now it says that it can look inside archive files. So let's click on that and see what it does. Hello, today still, please. Okay, so this will go a lot faster on a proper installation on actual, raw silicon. But as you can see, it does run and it doesn't actually crash. So I think it's worth exploring. It looks like a cute program that hasn't really been Haiku-ized. You know, it uses the icons from Qt. If you like that sort of thing, then that's fine. Okay, I am not. Okay, here's a little HTML file. Let's see if we can view that. There's an integrated little viewer, and it will probably use a very similar one for editing. Okay, interesting, huh? So, let's close this down. So, if you now go right-click on that, then you can get the file type, see what it says. Okay, it doesn't have a signature. You could give it one. You could make it a single launch, and you could change the icon. Okay, I think we've talked about icons before, and let's see, double commander. Let's see if we can find some kind of icon for it. Not sure I've got all my icon collections on this, but let's see. Nah. Okay, but if you do have icons that you want to attach to this, then you can do that. Okay, so we want to now make a symlink. Create link. current folder, parent folder. Hello, parent folder. There we go. Data, deskbar, menu, applications. And we should see, there it is. And I'm going to rename this to something more descriptive. And I should now see this here in my applications menu. There we go. So that is how you download a thing from SourceForge, find a place to run it, and integrate it into your menu. I'm not sure why everything's running so slowly today. I must have too many background processor in my host machine. I'll have a look at that. Okay, so I think, well, it's worthwhile downloading it and playing around with it. But we do have similar programs that are more integrated into Haiku. And for sheer speed, you want Midnight Commander running in a terminal. You know, it works in a very similar way. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And I have to work, you know, like a month in advance, so you know, you'll be seeing quite a few more of these rather oddball presentations, things that are not part of mainstream Haiku, but it's always interesting to see people who are not really deeply in the community trying their hands at things, you know, and maybe worth my while to see if I can put Double Commander into an H package, make it available. Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye.